Mhm. Okay. Hello. How are you? So this is this will be your last activity. Okay, yung soil profile. Okay. When we were college, this exercise, yung soil profile na ito, this was the first exercise we did. Nasa exercise 1 siya. Pero now, it was modified. Okay, the module was modified and it was placed at the end. Okay? And I agree with that kasi when it comes to soil profile, no, you are going to study kasi the soil in perspective. Okay? So, involved na dyan yung mga physical, chemical, biological properties. So, therefore, it is, I agree na they have placed it doon sa last kasi at least you can now easily understand kung ano, kung easily incorporate yung mga napag-aralan na ninyo in the previous exercises. Okay? So, what is soil profile? Okay, so let us begin with the pedons, polypedons. So, what is soil pedon? Kasi soil profile is just a phase of the soil pedon. Okay, soil pedon, it is a three-dimensional sample of a body of soil that is 1 square meter at the surface and extends to the bottom of the soil. So, kumbaga, soil pedon, may complete structure na siya. So, parang sa human, no, fetus pala pang complete, hindi pa siya complete. Pero kapag sinabi mong pedon, you can consider that as land already. Diba? You know how to differentiate naman a soil from a land. Kapag sinabi mong soil, yung mga granules lang, yung mga soil particles lang. Now, kapag sinabi mo ng land, okay, may face na yan. Okay, so parang dito lang din yon. So, kapag soil pedon, three-dimensional sample, so it is already considered a land. That is why soil pedon is considered the smallest unit to represent the nature and arrangement of horizons and variability in the properties of soil. Okay? So, of course, ang polypedon, it is a group of similar pedons. So, a combination of many pedons is called polypedon. So, ganyan, no? That is one pedon, and then that group of pedon is called polypedon. Okay? So, now, okay, in that soil pedon, okay, we have naman the soil profile. So, yung soil profile naman, this is the vertical cut. Okay, yung straight lang na cut na section ng isang land or isang pedon. Okay, so it is the vertical section of the soil from the surface down to the underlying bedrock, showing the different horizons or layers. So, ayan, dapat up, down to the down to the bedrock. Now, yung soil horizon naman, kasi part lang din siya ng soil profile, it is a layer approximately parallel to the surface with distinct physical and chemical properties. Okay? So, it is parallel kasi nga, and with almost similar properties, kasi like for example, dito nga, horizon A, yung properties nila dito, yung soil property dito is the same all throughout. Okay? Doon sa horizontal, basta doon sa soil horizon. Okay? Now, kapag nag-iba yan, then ibang horizon na naman yan. Okay? Horizon B, and so on. Okay? So, we have here master horizons kasi may mga, kung may master, may subdivisions. Okay? May mga subordinates din. Okay? So, these are the master horizons. We have horizon O, A, E, B, C, and R. So, horizon dominated by organic matter is called horizon O. And this is usually thin a thin layer of the soil profile. And this is brought about by the accumulation of organic matter from the decomposition of organic materials. Okay, kaya thin lang siya. Now, dun sa horizon A naman, this is organic rich mineral horizon. So, accumulation of mineral. Kung ito is accumulation of organic matter, yung O horizon, A horizon is accumulation of minerals or adjacent to the surface. Okay? Okay, next is E horizon. Okay? For some soil profile, okay, wala yung E horizon. Kaya kung titingnan ninyo ito, okay, E here is not included. Pero most kasi sa mga areas with tropical, yung mga tropical areas, common din ang E horizon kasi. So this is a mineral horizon of maximum elevation wherein there is the removal of dissolved minerals or dissolved elements. That is why, sa example ito, no, because of percolating water, the dissolved elements or minerals have been removed and it is moved downward. That is why ang B horizon is called the elevation horizon naman. Okay? So B horizon is the mineral horizon of maximum elevation and formed beneath an O, A, or E horizon. Kasi pwede naman kasi mawala agad si O. Pwedeng hindi kasi present si O horizon or si A horizon, ganyan. So, pwede ding hindi present yung other horizons dito. Okay? Although, these are the master horizons kasi ito yung mga distinct horizons na generally present. Okay? What else? Okay. Let us move on with C horizon. Okay, so C horizon here naman, this is the weathered parent material. Actually, this is unconsolidated rocks. Okay, partially weathered parent material. And C horizon, always remember na it is the parent material. Okay, ng soil. Kasi dito siya directly nanggaling. Hindi siya nanggaling from R, which is the bedrock, pero dito siya direct. Okay? Indirect siya dito, pero direct from C horizon. Kaya, C horizon is the parent material. And then we have the R, which is the bedrock. Underline consolidated bedrock, which cannot be cut by spade kasi ito talaga ang rocks. Okay? Okay, so we also have other terms like layman's term. In layman's term, we call the A horizon topsoil. And then B horizon subsoil. Okay? And then combination of horizon A, B, and C is called regolith. And then bakit nakasali siya? Okay? While A and B is called the soil solum or it is the true soil. Bakit true soil? Kasi hindi mo pa naman kasi matatawag na true soil ito kasi may mga alien materials pa like yung mga rocks. Okay? Kaya ang true soil is the A and B. And also, you call, kapag yung nakita mong ay na-identify mo na soil profile is my horizon A and C only, okay? Then you can consider that as young soil. Okay? A and C, meaning absent CO, or pwede din present CO, pero wala si horizon B, then that is young soil kasi hindi pa na-develop si B. Okay? Now, kapag more developed soils, then present na si B horizon. Okay? And then these are some processes of soil horizon development. We have the addition, usually from the liters of organic materials that would be gain to the soil body. And then, of course, yung loss or removals, example is leaching. Okay? Leaching of organic matter, carbon dioxide, or nutrients by plants or by percolating water. And then transformation, okay, yung weathering, example here, from bedrock to horizon sea, okay, there is weathering. That is why it is being transformed into soil. So that will also gain soil. Okay, it will add up to the soil body. And then translocation, movement from one horizon to another. Okay, usually because of burrowing animals or because of natural disturbances and others. Okay, and so since soil profile ang yung exercise 9, okay, we have here an example of an identified soil profile. Okay, so here, this is a soil profile, no? It is a vertical section of the soil, okay, showing the different horizons. Okay, so in here, this was identified as a horizon, sea horizon. So, bakit nilagyan pa ng mga sub-horizon? No? C1, C2, C3, C4, then, hindi ko makita. And then, this is B. Is this B? Okay, so ganon. Then, you can say that there is a translocation that happens here. Mga ganon, no? Tingnan nyo. Okay? And in here naman, if you are going to identify, now you could say na this is a horizon. And then, this is that zone of leaching, zone of elevation, or horizon E. Then, you can identify this as horizon C. Mga ganyan. Okay, a little bit distinct yung pag-identify ng soil horizon dito. And then, no, I think this horizon C pala kasi partially weathered pa ito eh. Okay, so mga ganon. Okay. So, wait lang. Okay, another example pala. So, you could tell that this is horizon A, E, B, and then C. Diba? Unconsolidated. Okay, what else? Okay, so, these are actually master horizon subdivision. For example, yung horizon A tapos P, meaning, okay, these are inserted, no, to the master horizon just to tell you kung ano yung cause ng formation ng soil horizon na yon. So, this P means usually is it means it is plowed kasi. So, it is because of human activities, P. And then, this one is between A and B, pero mas dominant si A. That is why nauna siya. A and B. And then B, C1, C2, C3. Ganyan. Pero wag na yon, okay? Sa master horizon lang tayo focus. 251 na, okay.